In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert on Capcut. Whether you're looking to add a creative twist to your videos or simply want to experiment with color effects, inverting can give your footage an entirely new look. It's an easy process that can be completed in just a few steps, perfect for beginners and seasoned editors alike. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your project in Capcut. Launch the Capcut app on your device, and if you haven't already, import the video project that you're working on. If you're starting from scratch, create a new project by selecting the footage you want to work on from your gallery. Once your project is open, make sure you're viewing the timeline where all your video clips are laid out. Next, you'll need to select the specific clip or image that you want to invert. Navigate through your timeline and tap on the clip you've chosen. Selecting your clip ensures that any effect or filter you apply will be isolated to this segment of your project. It's important to choose your clip wisely, as the invert effect can drastically change the appearance of your footage. Now that your clip is selected, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll find a menu. There you'll see an option for effects or filters. Go ahead and tap on that. This area is your toolbox for all kinds of visual enhancements, including color adjustments and overlay effects. It's filled with options, so be sure to explore what's available if you're curious about other enhancements. Once inside the effects or filters menu, it's time to search for the invert effect. In Capcut, this might be labeled as invert, negative, or sometimes color invert. Use the search function if you have trouble locating it, as this will save you time scrolling through various other options. This effect essentially reverses the colors of your video, creating a striking visual contrast. After you've found the desired effect, apply it to your clip. You'll notice a dramatic change immediately. The colors will flip to their opposites on the color spectrum, giving your video an otherworldly appearance. The application should be straightforward, typically involving just a tap or drag and drop onto your clip. Finally, you might want to tweak the intensity of the effect if that option is available. Some versions of Capcut offer a slider to adjust how strong the effect appears. Play around with the settings until you find the perfect balance that suits your vision. Once you're satisfied with the look of your inverted video, proceed to save or export your finished project. You can do this by tapping on the export option, usually located in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and format, and voila! Your newly inverted video is ready to share with the world. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to invert your clips on Capcut. Don't hesitate to experiment with additional effects to complement your inverted footage, making your videos even more engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.